Hey folks, and welcome to another video of mine. In today's video, I'm going to be taking a look at the Janus Nitho. Now, that's the headset, and it's a PS5 themed headset. Now, as you can see, it's got the nice white, blue and black colors going for it. Now, the reason why I bought this one, and I was very curious to try this out, is because it comes under a price tag of $15. You haven't heard anything wrong. This is priced for less than $15 US. That is why I wanted to test this out, and I wanted to check out the sound quality and the overall build quality of this particular device and what you can get in the market today for less than $15 if you're out looking for a cheap, I should rather say competitively priced headphones for your PlayStation 5. With that said, let's get started. Let's quickly take a look at what's written on the box. Now here it's written that it's got 40mm drivers. That's the standard across most of the earphones that you would come across these days. It also says it's got crystal clear microphone and adjustable mic boom, lightweight all-day comfort, crystal clear audio, and on the sides just a little bit of name branding, and behind it you've got some information about comfortable, you could say, headband, adjustable wearing, high comfort ear cushions, foldable microphone again, a mini jack stereo plug. You've got the mute switch. Alright, so it's got a mute switch as well, and you've got a volume control, and these are how the earphones are supposed to look like. So I'm interested to find out if it actually looks like the branding that they have on the box. If it's even 90% of what it looks like on the box, I'd be very happy in terms of looks. So let's unbox this little thing and find out how it actually is. Okay, so what's in the box? A very quick recap. The only thing that's in the box is some documentation along with some stickers as well. If you're into stickers, you'll appreciate this, but that's pretty much it. And I don't think you can expect quite a lot from the overall, you could say, inside the box stuff. Now, as far as the headset goes, now let me tell you, straight off the bat, it looks better than I expected. And I'm just going to bring up the box very quick again, right here. I told you that even if it looks 90% of what it looks like on the box, because sometimes, hey, you never know what to expect inside the box. But in this case, it is exactly what it looks like on the box. And even this, I thought it'll be some cheap sticker, but it's not. It's actually a mesh kind of a design, and it's not a sticker. And overall, this looks quite nice, and it's very light. It's extremely light. So I'm curious to find out, when I finally put this on my head, how comfortable they will be. I'm sure it's going to be very comfortable because it's lightweight. And talking about, lightweight, and apart from that, what's it got going for it? Now here you have some ear cushions, and let me tell you that these feel soft. They are nice. Look at that. It's quite nice. And you've got cushions here as well. So that is good as well. Here you can expand the size of it if you want to. And has it got a little bit of swivel going for it? Just a little bit. Just a little bit. Let me tell you that these do not feel cheaply made, alright? I mean, it looks quite good. Apart from the theme of PS5, overall, it looks quite nice. And apart from that, it's got this cable, which obviously cannot be detached. It's attached to the headphones itself, I'm sorry. And here you've got some controls. So basically you've got a volume control here. Let me show you. All right. So you've got the volume control here, and you've got a mute button and an unmute button here. So that's what you've got. And a 3.5mm jack for it to go inside your PlayStation controller. Oops, let me remove this plastic from here. Sorry about that. Okay, so I'm quite excited because this looks quite nice, and the mic, well, if you don't want to use it, just do that and keep it aside. Okay, but let's finally plug this, and let me give you my thoughts and my feelings about this when I finally use this with my PlayStation 5. So let's go, folks. Okay, let's finally connect it and check it out. So what I've done is I've connected it to my PlayStation 5 controller here, and now I'm gonna put these beauties on. So let's take a look at how they feel when you finally put them on your head. Hey, it's quite nice. Yeah, it's quite nice. And whoa, it's quite snuggly. It's very nice. Let me try something. Let me see if the volume toggle, in fact the volume you could say a roller, actually works. It works. What do you know? It actually works. So you can control the volume of your PS5 from here. That is extremely handy. Very, very handy. Now, I don't do a lot of online gaming, but hey, it's got a microphone as well. As you can see, the mic is right here. And let's see if we can actually give some command and see how the mic works, whether the mic works. That's all I want to test. So I'm just going to go over to search here. I'm going to hit that search button and I'm going to hit that mic button there. Assassin's Creed. Voila, it works. The microphone also works pretty well. So I think it's pretty nice. Let me just put on a game and let me just tell you my experience, how it actually sounds in a game. All right, so right now we're just on the home screen and I just want to test out the audio as to how it feels when I move around in the game. Okay, so let's test this out in the game as well. All right. It sounds quite nice actually. Let's see, let's try to talk to somebody. Can somebody talk to me? No. Do you want to talk to me? Wow, this is what I wanted to try out. Wow. Wow, so while I'm moving, the audio seems to be coming from that direction. So if there's somebody speaking here, all right, for instance, the audio is coming from here, even on the headset. So it actually works. It works like a charm. And you've also got the volume control here. So in case you want to reduce it, you don't even need to go into the settings and then adjust it from there. This is extremely handy. You can just adjust the volume from here. Very good. Extremely good. Wow, I'm really, really impressed. So the audio quality so far is quite nice, and the directional audio also kind of works. So if I'm standing here, I can hear the fire from this side, all right? So if I turn around, the sound seems to be coming from right in front. The footsteps, I can hear the footsteps. If somebody's walking behind me, I can hear the footsteps as well. So this is quite nice. Wow. Let me shoot and see if there's any kind of a lag or delay. Nope, nothing. Oh man, it sounds good. This sounds really good. Oh, and by the way, I also tested this out for media consumption with YouTube and Apple Music. And I must say that it was better than average. It delivered quite decent or balanced lows, mids, and highs. So don't expect an extraordinary performance out of it, but it delivers more than what it charges you. So for less than $15, I think you will be satisfied from the price to value ratio. Well, I hope you've liked this video, folks. If you have any questions about this particular headset, then feel free to comment and ask me those questions. I'll try my best to get back to your questions and try to answer them as soon as possible. Now, apart from that, season's greetings to all you lovely people. Thank you so much for the love, for the support that you've shown me this year. And I look forward to 2022 along with you lovely folks. There are a lot of videos that I'm going to be posting in 2022. So again, wish you and your families a very happy, safe, and a prosperous 2022 and also the years that follow. Now with that said, if you haven't already smashed that like and subscribe button, it's free, folks. Please hit that like and subscribe button, as it helps with the YouTube algorithm and it also helps my channel grow, and I greatly appreciate your love and support in advance. Apart from that, if you hit the bell icon, you will get notifications whenever I release my next video. So hitting that bell icon will also be appreciated. Now with that said, it's a wrap for this one, folks. I will see you lovely folks in my next video. Until that time, take care, stay safe, and may God bless you all.